Today we're going to talk about the Mantra Lingua recordable labels and specifically the student labels. And you get 240 in every pack. You can record up to 1 hour on each label and you can very easily re-record over them. I mean, I've done it in conferences maybe 50 times using the same label. You can also laminate over them so that you can protect them in case you're concerned about them being peeled off. So we are going to get started, and each label has a red circle, and that stands for record. The blue square actually has a number on it, and we'll talk about that in a second, but this is how you stop. And then the triangle is how you play it. So we're going to go ahead and take the Mantra Lingua pen pal, and that's what you need to use in order to make the recordings. Now every label has a number on it. I happen to have the one that says 57, so in each pack it'll be numbered up to 240. And that's how the pen is able to tell what label you are using to make the recording. So what you're going to do is first turn the pen pal on by touching the top button here.
Welcome to Pen Pal. Touch the start arrow to continue.
Now, you're going to notice that this blue light is on, and this is important. We're going to talk about this light as we go through the recording process. But immediately when you turn the pen pal on, it defaults to that blue light, because it's like you get two pens in one. One allows you to listen to the Mantra Lingua audio recordings in all the different languages. We've done the narrations as well as the translations for the print. And then when you change it to recording mode, which allows you to record on the labels, you're going to simply change the mode. So it's like you're switching to pen number 2. I hold the mode button down.
Recording mode.
Until I hear recording mode. Now notice the light is now red. And this is important as we go through the recording process, and anytime you want to listen to a recording, you want that light to be red. So what you're simply going to do is take the pen, and you have to hit these spots straight on with the pen. And I'm going to hit the red circle, just tap it. I'll make sure that I've got it straight on. Lift off. As you can see, get this in here, the light's purple. That means it's making a recording now. It's recording me. So to stop it, all I do is take my pen and tap the blue square. I want to make sure I hit this straight on to stop it. And you'll notice this light is red again. That means the recording is stopped. So anytime you're stopping the recording, make sure that the light is red now. And now you can simply play back that recording.
Lift off. As you can see, get this in here, the light's purple.
So I'm going to just stop this recording by tapping this little microphone button. Now let's say I want to re-record over this first recording. All I do is simply, while it's still in the red light mode, I just hit the red circle again with the pen. Make sure it's straight on. Take it off, I look at it, the light's purple, it's making that recording. This is recording number 2. Now I'm done. I touch the blue square. See, it's still purple. I didn't get it straight on. That's important. That's why I always tell you to look at the label. It's just the angle that I'm doing this at. Normally, you'd have it on a flat surface. It's a lot easier. Now that light is red. And then to play back, I touch the green triangle.
Make sure it's straight on. Take it off.
So as you can see, it's so simple to record and re-record. And that's why we use these for students. So you can have students read pages in a book and listen to themselves self-assess, self-correct. You could have them read vocabulary words. You could take the pens back at the end of the day and listen to them, listen to the readings and make notes. There is so much that you can do and allow the students to do. They can narrate science projects, storyboards, art projects. It's very, very simple. And I happen to put this magnet up here as well because you can use the same recording functionality on our phonics magnets, and we have 108 magnets that make over 500 word combinations, but this does allow more flexibility. And so that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, you can always refer to the area on our website where we have tips on how to use the pen, and you can print off a sheet that explains how you can use the labels in the classroom. Now we have the teacher labels, and I have another video for that. That allows the teachers to make the recording, and only you as the teacher can change that recording. As you can see how easy this is to record over as a teacher, whether you're narrating your own book or narrating specific instructions. You don't want those narrations lost or recorded over accidentally. The teacher labels allow you to preserve those recordings, and only you can make the changes by using our control sheet. So make sure you check out our teacher label video to see how to record on those. It's very simple.